This is my review of the AIRCARE console humidifier. It's not huge. It does over 3,000 square feet, which is amazing. 5.4 gallons. All you do is take this container out over to your sink. Instead of wheeling over this whole thing, it's got 3 speeds. I'm gonna have to turn this up because the humidity level's only at 40 degrees in here. It's got 3 speeds. Now, F1 is the lowest speed, which to me seems to be plenty of air being pushed. So they draw in the air through the filter in the back, which the water comes up to about here, and then it wicks up through this filter, and then the air is drawn through here and blown out the top. So that way it goes up into the air, as opposed to some of them who are down around the bottom. And it's not very noisy on the F1. Right now it's 44 degrees. Can't really see that. Not 44. 43% humidity level, but I want it to be 45. If you want to say with the 60, you can turn it up. Or if I just want it to be at 40, you turn it down to 40 and then it shuts off. So it's not made too bad. I'm impressed with it so far. It's doing a good job, and it's not bad looking either. You know, it fits into my decor to my wooden floor here. So yeah, I would recommend this, and I think it'll do a good job for me.